this right over here? I don't know why it's doing this to me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie for those of you who are new, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today we are doing, this is actually today I'm coming at you with a vlog. I want to take you guys through and through and out and through and in and through my day. It is currently 5 minutes past 2. It's 5 minutes past 2, and the most productive thing I've done is eat, shower, and sweep my room. And I still need to make content. I woke up super late today. And it's so hot, child. And I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to meet my deadline today. So I have to do a reel for this foundation that I'm trying with Signature. Listen, when I tell you that they popped out of nowhere, okay? They popped out of nowhere because the formula is fire. If you got oily skin like me, I have super oily skin and really prone to breakouts. And so I was trying to find like a matte foundation that is affordable, like below 200 Rand please, and that is matte, you know, then that will stay throughout the rest of the day, especially since it's getting super hot here in South A. You guys can see, these are the fits now. These are the fits. I'm not gonna go out like this because I still have somewhere to go. This is a bit much. But yeah, it's getting super hot, and so we're gonna be sweating. And so I'm going to do a reel for Instagram for that foundation. And then, oh, let me show you guys. I bought these little stud thingies. I don't know if they're too big. I really hope they're not too big to go onto my eye. I bought these little stud thingies because I want to start getting a little bit more creative with my makeup looks, and I saw something that I want to kind of like emulate, you know what I'm saying? I really was looking for the red ones, but they didn't have red, and I wanted to do it today or this weekend, so I didn't have no time to be going anywhere else. I got these at Cresta, P&A Cresta, and I was like, child, we're trying to get creative with the makeup things. Oh, my back is so itchy. So right now I just need to set up. You guys can see there's Petunia, my plant. Please, plant moms and dads, help me, because Petunia is dying. Let me show you guys. Petunia is dying. Sometimes I put her out on the balcony where there's a lot of sun to get sunlight, and I only keep her inside the house when I'm filming. But my child is dying. She's actually dying. Please look at what's happening with Petunia. Look at this. Oh, Petunia. Look at this. Look at her ends, bro. She's got dead ends and everything. I don't know what to do, Petunia. The rest of her is flourishing, okay? The rest of her is fine. I guess it's because it takes longer for the top to dry out than the bottom. But I have been watering her. Look, she's been watered and everything. I don't know if there's like special food that I'm supposed to be giving her that I'm not giving her. But she's actually dying. Like she's actually dying. So if you are a plant mom or dad, or if you know a plant mom or dad, please help me. Please help me save the life of my child, because she's actually dying. She's actually dying. I'm gonna start doing this reel thing for this foundation. Well, I'll need to find it first. Foundation. You guys are gonna see it in the reel anyway. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Please don't mind my table, she's a mess. But this is basically the foundation. Okay, let me stop rambling. Let me get to creating this content, and I'll check in with you guys in the duration of the content making. Okay, all right. You guys, it's literally 3:45, and I'm still filming. I don't even have anything solid. I don't even know. This look has just been doing a lot for me, and so I had to restart it quite a few times. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm just finishing up my eyeshadow, and I think I'm gonna get ready. Oh, I forgot to bronze. And I think I'm gonna get ready to leave afterwards. So yeah, you guys. So I'm done. I'm finished with the look. This is what it is. This is what we have. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at the back. I don't know if you guys can see. How cute. How freaking cute. So I'm just getting ready to leave now. My phone is nearly dying. I don't know what's going to happen because I'm filming with it, and I actually decided that in the beginning I did say that I'm not going to film where I'm going. I'm going to film where I'm going now. I might as well. I might as well. But first we have to stop at the mall. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, pack up my stuff and then make my way to the mall and then leave for church. I don't know what jacket I'm going to wear with because as much as it was hot in the afternoon, it's getting pretty cold. It's getting pretty cold. And yeah, I don't know. Okay, we'll just see. I'll show you guys the outfit before I leave or when I'm at the mall. I don't know. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so I forgot to show you my outfit. You guys will see it somewhere, somehow, I don't know. Even if you don't see it, it's okay. You will breathe. I'm here with Stephanie.
Hey.
What's
happening? What's going on?
So my friend's literally about to die. But we are making our way onto like the campus now for church, and like I don't know, I guess I'll see you guys in the next tomorrow morning, because we about to get it up. We about to get it up. Praise our praise on somebody. Turns out we do still have battery. Okay, so we made it to church. I can show you guys my outfit. It's actually not like life changing. It's just like kind of cute a little bit. It's cute without the jacket. It's cute-ish without the jacket.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I'm a brand ambassador of
You out here dropping the merchandise, girl. Blue Sea Vaseline, please. Wow, is that you? So it's day 2. I didn't finish the vlog off nicely yesterday because I was tired, but no, just say you want to be in the vlog, just say so. Come then. So here we are about to start filming for STEMs. Introduce yourself, plug yourself.
What's happening? It's Floyd, FLXY.
Right over here. His link will be in the bio. Yeah, gang. So we're about to, there's babies. So we're about to start shooting now, and I was so late, you guys. It's not even funny. I was so late. We were supposed to shoot at 1, and it's like 2-3 now. So right, so we're in the midst. We're in the inside of trying to get the setup ready and going. I think we've been doing this for. Come on, look at the STEMs merch. Let's go. I think we've been doing this for like the past 30 minutes since we arrived, and he's just been doing nothing but that. Nothing but that.
Yeah. She ungrateful
Like,
as
first
hell.
of all, and so what?
She ungrateful as you still.
And
it's all good.
And so what?
It's all good.
Yeah, but basically, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys, for real. I've been vlogging since yesterday.
That's hard. I just ended it off with the view of a king.
Why are you so shiny? Here. Can you please sit down for me and talk into the mic?
Okay, it's because I glisten. I'm glistening. I'm not shining. It's called glistening. Please, Nikki, please fetch your husband. He's talking about why am I so shiny.
It's that glow.
It's the glow. Thank you. It's because you've never seen this glow before. You don't have it. Go away. It's the glow. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video, I love you madly. Please do not forget to subscribe, and also subscribe to STEM's channel. We have merch and everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.